how you can get your verification email from PayPal. So to do that, first open up your PayPal account and make sure that you're logged in. After you've logged in, this page should open up right here like this. And what you need to do is click on this gear icon that's right besides logout button. And after you do that, you will get redirected to this section right here. Now you're under accounts. You can update your account, edit your account. And what you want to do here right here is you want to click on emails and add an email, or you can just edit your original email too. After you've done that, this pop-up will open up. Here you need to add your email. Now as you can see, I'll get two options. I'll just email a code, and a code will be sent to my Gmail. Now I will get an email on my Google account. Let's just refresh this. So I've gotten my verification code right here. Just copy this and paste it here, and it will do its job. And then you have added your email. So this is how you get a verification code from your PayPal account to verify your email address. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.